Hi, everyone. So as we talk about corresponding sides and we talk about similar figures, there's a few things to keep in mind. So in this case, we know that angle A corresponds to angle E, so they have the same measurement. B would correspond to angle F. Angle C would correspond to angle G, and then angle D would correspond to angle H. Okay. All right, so while they might not be the same size, they do have the same shape, and we know that side AB would correspond to side EF, BC to FG, CD to GH, and DA to HE. So we're going to use that to help us find missing sides or missing measurements from similar shapes. So in this case, we have side AC, which corresponds to side DF, and we're going to write that as a proportion. We're going to write that as 4 centimeters is similar or proportional to 12 centimeters, as the side BC corresponds to side EF. So BC, 6 centimeters, corresponds to X. So now here we would cross multiply. We would have X times 4 would be 4X. 12 times 6, which would be 72. And now we would need to solve for x, so dividing by 4, 4 divided by 4 equals 1x, and then 72 divided by 4 equals 18. Okay, so then the side of x is 18 centimeters. Okay. Another way you could also solve it is if you wrote the proportions from the same shape. So if I had done 6 centimeters to 4 centimeters would be proportional to, let's see, we want to make sure they have the same side. So if 6 centimeters is this side BC, then I want to take that side EF, which would be x over 12. And again, it would just be 4x on this side equals 72, which is just the reverse of this side.